Okay, hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ayla, also known as AKA, and today I have a really exciting video for you. We've just moved into a new flat. As you can see, we're in a new flat in London. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. I just got home, but I'm obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. I'm obsessed. I love it. I'm obsessed. I can't say that enough. I went shopping with my friend today for like decor items, but like vintage. So I wanted to go thrift shopping, charity shopping, you know, vintage store shopping. I already said that. To get some decor-y items for the cheap on the low. And oh my gosh, the things I have found are not necessarily all what I need. However, they're all a damn moment and I'm too excited. I need to go quickly because the light is fading. It's getting dark at like 3:30 p.m. in London now. It's ridiculous. What do we think of my pearls? I got this shirt the other day at a vintage kilo sale. I think it's super freaking cute. I got these pearls, and these pearls, I think they look better on one wrist, but I'm not really too sure. I'm talking way too much. Alright, we've got to get into it. I also went today to a fabric shop where they sell like obviously just fabrics, but they have offcuts, so like extra bits of fabrics, just like little bits that haven't sold or they aren't enough to like sell per meter. I got a bunch of those and they're £3 each, so freaking cheap. So in total I spent £12 on this. I'm just going to show you those quickly because, you know, easy peasy. The first moment that we have for the fabric, so I make these into hats, but I'm also going to start making some bags soon, is this bit. It's definitely like at least 2 meters long, maybe like 1.5 meters wide, and it is this beautiful pink fabric. But if you look up super close, see how it has the stripes, but the stripes have like shimmer. Oh, that's a better way to show you. The stripes have like shimmer through them. How freaking cute. So that is number one, numero uno, but there is a lot of fabric there. Second on the list is this sparkly moment. I thought this would look so cute in like a vintage, not vintage, a Y2K bag, and there is so much of this, you guys. This is probably like 4 meters long, but look at this, you guys. Isn't that so beautiful? It's like this silver undertones and then these like pink flowers on top. It's so beautiful. So yes, that will be another moment. The third fabric I got is this like mauve, like purple, and it's got these gold flecks through it. Again, such a moment, super cute, and there's a lot of this here. There's probably less of this one, maybe like 2 meters by 1 meter. And then last but not least, we have this beauty. This is the first one I found, and it is yellow. It looks way more vibrant in person, but it has this like heart, not heart, it's like either hearts or like triangles, like a geometric triangle pattern on it. Actually, you can see the pattern better there, but it's like a full-on yellow color. You can actually see the color better back here. So it's like this baby yellow color. It's even brighter in person. So those are my 4 fabrics. Let's get into the freaking decor. I'm too excited about this. Oh my god. First up, I hit up TK Maxx. Now I know they're not necessarily a vintage or secondhand store, but they do have a lot of things discounted. If you don't know TK Maxx, they basically have like not luxury items, but like branded items that haven't sold in stores, and so they give it to TK Maxx to like get rid of at a cheap price. First up, I know this is not decor, but I got a water bottle. I thought it was really cute because it says morning and afternoon, and it tells you like what you should have drunk by that time. I thought it would be perfect for lockdown because hello, drink the water, get the hydration, you know what I mean. Next thing I got from there was this like makeup kit sorta thingy, because at the moment my makeup is sitting underneath my shoe shelf and it's not a vibe. So I'm going to put it in here, and then I think I'm going to keep it like over in this corner, which is like I sleep here, and then that's my little corner. So I'm going to like set up my makeup there and like get a little mirror so that I can do my makeup there. I need a light as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, I found the most beautiful retro vintage light today in a vintage store, but it was £45, and I was on the hunt for bargains today. I just wasn't ready to pay £45 for a light, even though it was so beautiful. I will pop a picture on the screen, but yes, it was stunning. It was retro 80s vibes, kind of like the stained glass look. It was absolutely stunning. I wanted to take it home. It might be one of those vibes where, like, you know, after lockdown, if I am still thinking about it, I might have to go get it. but we'll see. Anyway, next up on the list, just some beauty blenders, nothing too exciting there, is this candle that I got from TK Maxx. It has Santa on the top. It has a cute little Santa on the top there. It's like wood on the top, and then it's red. And it is DW Home Candy Cane hand poured candle. It's like a red color on the inside, and oh my god, you guys, smell it. How good does that smell? It smells like mint. Obviously it's candy cane. It literally smells like candy cane. Like, go get a candy cane and smell it and you'll be here with me. Like, oh my god, I die. So number 1, and then I bought 2 candles from them, but I can't see the other one. Maybe I put it in this bag. We'll find it at some point. This was the next baby I got from TK Maxx. No, it is not a bunch of paper. It was just wrapped up, and oh my god, this find set the precedent for the rest of the day. So it set the precedent for what I was looking for, what I wanted, what my vibe is. Ta-da. So this baby had to come home with me. Just look at that, like, it's like a cube ripple sort of thing. Like, if you feel it, it's like, can you hear that? So it is so, oh my god, I almost dropped it. It's like a cube in there, so cute. I was thinking I could even like put a candle in here and then light it, and then like, what a vibe, like candle in there and then light it, and then it would be like all lighty everywhere. I don't know, super cute. Anyway, that was that. Went to a vintage furniture store and found a few cute little things. There's a leaf in that. So obviously these things are like literally just from like estate sales, or people just have donated it. So first up on the list is this baby. It's like a pale green ceramic. I don't know if you can see, but there's like cracks in it, like fake cracks. It's not a very good way to see. You can see a little. But yes, it has this in the top, so it's a candle holder, I think. But I was thinking what I can use it for is put a candle in the middle so it looks really cute, and then put our keys. So no, don't actually light the candle, but just have it as decorative, and then put our keys in the external part. I think that would be really cute. The next thing was actually from a proper store, so not from a vintage store, but you can't really get like an actual candle from a vintage store. So I just went into a store. This was like £1, 25 pence, I think, and I just got this pink candle to go in it. So look at those colors, like the green and the pink together. I just think that is so freaking cute. So this is gonna like have our keys around the outside. I just think that is literally the cutest thing. Or maybe I will light it, I don't really know. I just think that is like literally so cute. I can't contain my excitement. On to the next thing. Okay, so also at that same vintage store, I got this baby. Oh my gosh, the colors on this thing. Like, you can sense a theme, like ribbed, colored glass things. So this is just another like vase glass type situation, but again, you can see it has like little, almost like pearls of glass on it. It is honestly stunning. Like, just look at that. So that was the next thing, and then one last thing I got from that store was this baby, which initially I thought we could put keys in, but then I just liked it, and I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, my battery's flashing. Gotta rush. Okay, cute, cute, cute. It's like purple stained glass chalice situation. We love her. Okay, on to the next. So in total at that store I spent £4, sorry, what? £4 for those 3 vintage items. So beautiful. Okay, on to the next thing. This was from a thrift store, so like where people donate stuff. They actually had heaps more in there. So much glassware. Oh my god, look at my baby. It's so heavy, but it is just this beautiful vase with like this kind of detailing on the side. It's actually really freaking heavy, but it's so cute, and it just goes so well with like all of my green vibes that I have, you know? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, on to the next. My battery's flashing. Okay, next item. I might have to charge this and finish this video off later. Next item is for my toothbrush. Just a cute little pink cup for my toothbrushes. Okay, in this store as well, so those 2 things, the green vase and then the pink little cup. This, oh my god, you guys, I died. This is I think my favorite thing that I bought today. Fuck. This is my favorite thing I bought today. Oh my god, look at this. It is like the most beautiful, vibrant orange. I'm gonna put like my rings in it. So freaking cute. So guys, for those 4 items, no, so sorry, for those 3 items, the orange one, my green vase, and then my little pink cup, £3. Like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So crazy. Oh my god. Okay, moving on. Oh my god, there's my other candle. So this is my other one from TK Maxx. This one was £7. A little bit more pricey, but still for a candle, like, it's a thick boy. It's got 2 wicks on it. This smells incredible. I can't describe it to you. It smells like a nice bathroom candle. So this is going to be like my everyday one, and then my other one is going to be like my Christmas scent. Like, so like December 1st I'm going to put it on. Okay, and then last but not least, this I did not purchase. I purchased a coffee in exchange for it, but we ran into my friend that I was with, her friend or somebody that she knows, and she was taking all this stuff to the thrift store, and she was like, oh my god, I have these boots, do you want them? And I was like, sir, yes. And then she gave them to me. They're slightly too big for me, but I haven't actually tried them on. If my camera doesn't run out, I'm going to try them on right now. But they are like this brown fake leather vintage heel moment. They're so autumn. They've got a square toe, which is just, you know, just such a vibe. I have these huge windows now, and like people can see me. I mean, but I don't think that, oh my god, they fit. What the fuck. And all she wanted in exchange was for me to buy her coffee, so it was like £3 for these boots. Like, what the frick, frack. Okay, I've got jeans on right now, so I can't zip it up all the way. But you get the vibe. You get the vibe. Okay, I've got to go. My camera's going to run out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I feel a little bit high right now. I'm talking so freaking fast. But I've had a big day. I'm so excited. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment down below, and share or whatever. If you want, you can subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. I'm trying to get to 100 by the end of the year. And I will see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the home decor vibes. Peace.